Hello guys, welcome again, and now time to remove wires from this image. So let's try the first quick mask mode. Turn on the brush and hold Alt key, zoom in, and now paint the mask like this and continue. And now let's click again on quick mask 2 to make selection. Click again here and go back to select, make inverse, and zoom out. Go to edit, click on content never fill, and click OK. So the result is minus. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl plus D to deselect. So I think the best way, use spot healing brush. Spot healing brush is perfect tool to remove this wire. So change the size of a spot healing brush to size of wire. Little bit bigger size from the wire. Don't make size to wire size. Little bit change the bigger size. And now continue. I think this tool is very perfect for this image to edit. Remove wire from the face. Continue. Okay guys, there is the result. The most important parts of this picture is face. I removed the wires from the face and the other place of image or too much easy to remove the wire. So thanks for watching. Let's go to next part, most important parts.